Hey, what's going on, guys? Bob Mentality here. And as we head into the new year, I want to reflect upon my top 3 lessons I learned in 2021. Trading during 2021 was immensely challenging, and a lot of people I know would agree on that. But it showed me what I'm capable of as a trader. I gained so much more confidence in my ability and having that experience of being able to adapt to immense volatility, and when the market changes, to be able to move with it and change with it. And adapt in those situations. So I really want to condense 3 of the main takeaways I have for 2021, present them to you guys, and hopefully they will help you in 2022. And if you have any questions about any of this, comment in the description box below. But let's go ahead and move through them. So the first lesson is move on. Do not dwell on your losing trades. Guys, your last trade does not dictate your next trade. A lot of times people will have 1 red trade or 2 red trades, get frustrated and think, well, now because this has happened, all I can do is lose. I'm going to continue losing. I'm done. And they just walk away and they just quit. Guys, you've got to move on. Don't carry on the mindset of having a losing trade, giving up on the markets or giving up on that strategy, or just quitting in the short term. Guys, that's not the right mentality. There's a saying I have in my group, I say it doesn't even matter. And it's so frustrating to hear that when you just come off a losing trade or you miss a big win, and why are you telling me, Bob, it doesn't even matter? Guys, because this is the mentality you have to have. Each trade should be judged by its own merit. The opportunity is what you trade, not emotion, not losing trades. It's opportunity. Okay, right here. In last month, okay, in November, this was the largest single day loss I took in 2021. I lost $3,985 overnight selling premium on the ES after we had a huge gap down. Okay, guess what? It doesn't even matter. And because I was able to adapt that mentality and move on and not dwell on my losing trades, I was able to make this back and more. Okay, that in the same month. That is what's important. You need to keep this mentality so that when you're focused on trading opportunity and not your emotions or your P&L. Okay. The second lesson: when the skillet is hot, cook. Bring aggression. This is it, guys. This is it. There's actually a guy in my chat room who had immense success, massive success this year. Shout out to Egento. You know who you are, man. And he killed it this year with this concept. When there is massive opportunity and you're on a massive win streak, you need to make sure you're cooking while the skillet is hot. Okay? A lot of times what happens is it's easy to bet, say I take trades and I bet X to make Y, or you bet 3 to make 1, and all you ever do your whole career is bet 3 to make 1, or bet 1 to make 3, whatever. Okay? The issue with that is when there's times when your edge and your strategy has the ability to have a high accuracy rate that you're able to scale into, you don't, because you're focused on conservatism instead of taking advantage of the opportunity when it arises. Guys, it is absolutely crucial. If you want to be a consistent trader, when there is massive opportunity, you need to attack that with aggression. When you're seeing a significant green streak, that you have that profit cushion to fall back on, that house money in your pocket, you need to take advantage of the easy, quote unquote, easy money, so that it'll pay for the months when it's a lot harder to make money. Okay? So when the skillet is hot, bring aggression. All right? And my final lesson for 2021, fight for relevancy. Adapt to change. Guys, there's going to be times when you're finding, like those hard months I just mentioned, when you're finding it increasingly difficult for your edge to play out, or you're just mistiming the market, you're getting in a little bit too early, getting in too late, and things just aren't working. It's very easy to say, well, my edge isn't here, and I'm done trading, and just walk away and come back the next month or the next couple months. Sometimes I can see how that could be the right thing to do if you're just trading emotionally and you're caught up in the, you're not able to move on and letting it go. You're dwelling on the losers. You have a tendency to revenge trade. This is not revenge trading. Fighting for relevancy is when you notice that your strategy is struggling in the slightest. Instead of quitting, walking away, and just accepting the red week, red month, whatever, staying put, staying calm, staying patient, looking for edge, possibly in another area that you didn't quite anticipate, and really focusing on those premium A plus quote unquote setups to take advantage of. That's going to keep you relevant. You're going to hone your blade. You might develop multiple tools. So, in aggressive markets, you can do X, and in, harder markets for that strategy, you can do Y. Being able to develop multiple avenues of edge and your strategy to rely on and to lean on during times of when the volatility changes in the market and money rotates, that is going to be a massive tool to use in 2022 and the rest of your trading. That instead of walking away when you're experiencing difficulty, you're able to sit tight, strategize, change your plan, and capitalize on that new environment. It may not be in the same amount and as easy as before, but that you're able to do that, because every single day there's opportunity in the market. That doesn't mean that there's opportunity only in your specific, black and white plan. Okay. From these lessons, I was able to consistently profit every single every single month of 2021, which was the first time I've ever had a year where I made money every single month, green every single month. The past 2 years in a row, I would have, 3 red months out of the year. 3 red months 2019, 3 red months in 2020. And while both of those years I made money, this was the first year where every single month was green. And that does not mean every single month was easy. There was easier months, there were harder months. There were months where I capitalized a lot less, and there's months where I capitalized a lot more using these lessons I just explained to you in this video. So that's all I got, guys. I hope this helps you to develop your bot mentality, which is your trading mentality, where you can learn to eliminate your emotions so you can trade like a machine, guys. That's all I got for you. If you're interested in working with me or joining in my mentorship program or joining the chat room, there's information on that in the description box below, guys. I am out of here. Deuces.